people with peace. The Lord will bless His people with peace. Give to the Lord, you sons of God. Give to the Lord glory and praise. Give to the Lord the glory due His name. Adore the Lord in holy attire. The Lord will bless His people with peace. The voice of the Lord is over the waters, the Lord over vast waters. The voice of the Lord is mighty, the voice of the Lord is majestic. The Lord will bless His people with peace. The God of glory thunders, and in His temple all say glory. The Lord is enthroned above the flood. The Lord is enthroned as King forever. The Lord will bless His people